Hi Ram. Good morning. Hello Suresh. Good morning to you too. How are you today? I am good. And what about you? I am very well, thank you. Can you believe it's already been 77 years since India gained independence? It's such a significant milestone for our country. Absolutely, Ram. 77 years of progress, challenges, and growth. It's a time for us to reflect on our history and celebrate how far we've come. Definitely, Suresh. Our forefathers struggled and fought tirelessly for the freedom we enjoy today. Remembering their sacrifices is so important. The stories of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Subhas Chandra Bose inspire me every time. I couldn't agree more, Ram. Their dedication and determination have left an indelible mark on our nation. It's also a reminder for us to be responsible citizens and contribute to the betterment of our country. Absolutely, Suresh. And speaking of contributions, I can't help but think about the economic growth and development we've witnessed since independence. From an agrarian economy, we've transformed into a global powerhouse in various sectors. You're right, Ram. Our IT industry, for instance, has reached remarkable heights. We've become leaders in software services, and our engineers and tech professionals are making their mark worldwide. That's true. And let's not forget about our cultural diversity. Our unity in diversity is something to be proud of. Different languages, traditions, and religions coexisting harmoniously, it's a true testament to the fabric of our nation. Absolutely, Ram. Our festivals, like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and others, showcase our rich cultural tapestry. It's heartwarming to see people from various backgrounds coming together to celebrate and share in each other's joy. And you know, Serge, the challenges we've faced have also shaped us. The fight against poverty, inequality, and corruption is ongoing, but we've made significant strides. Initiatives like Swak, Bharat and Digital India are making a difference. You're right, Ram. It's heartening to see the government and citizens working hand in hand to address these issues. The power of a democracy lies in the active participation of its people. Exactly, Suresh. And as we celebrate this Independence Day, let's also remember our armed forces and their dedication to protecting our borders. Their sacrifices often go unnoticed, but they play a crucial role in safeguarding our sovereignty. Absolutely, Ram. Our soldiers' bravery and sacrifices ensure that we continue to live in a free and secure nation. We owe them a debt of gratitude. Well said, Suresh. So, how do you plan to celebrate this special day? I'll be attending the flag hoisting ceremony in my locality, and later, I'm thinking of organizing a small get-together with friends and family. It's a time to come together and cherish our unity. That sounds wonderful, Suresh. I'll be joining a community service initiative in the morning, and in the evening, I'll probably watch some patriotic movies or documentaries to rekindle that feeling of national pride. That's a great way to celebrate, Ram. Well, no matter how we choose to observe the day, let's always remember the significance of August 15th and the journey our nation has taken to reach where we are today. Absolutely, Suresh. Here's to 77 years of independence, and to many more years of progress, unity, and prosperity for our incredible nation, India.